What makes a video title compelling, thought-provoking and throat-grabbing? In this video, we'll look at how important a carefully crafted video title can make the difference between prospects watching your video or not. So welcome to this video entitled The Video Title. How to make it stand out to get more views. In other words, make your video title simple, succinct and attractive. Hi, my name's Jeff Flaming for Video Cashflow, and in this video we're going to delve into what makes a highly compelling video title that makes people just want to watch your video. But first, if this is the first time you're watching a Video Cashflow video and you like what you hear, see and read, then please subscribe and remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. Tim Schmoyer of Video Creators summed up the purpose of a video title perfectly. He said the video title should be optimized for a human to see it so they're emotionally enticed to watch the video, as opposed to the title being written for the benefit of the SEO robots. You can check out Tim's video by clicking on the URL link in the description box below this video. A video title is no different to the headlines that you see in the daily newspapers, the magazines or in blog posts. So take note of any headlines that grab your attention or make you take a second look. If you're on the bus or on the train, what do you tend to do? That's right, you read the adverts. Now look at those adverts differently from now on. Ask yourself why you read a particular advert first. What was it that attracted your eyes to that advert rather than the adverts on either side of it? So here's what your video title should comprise. 1. An exact keyword phrase. This is so that it matches what people are keying into the YouTube and Google search bars. There are many ways to search for exact keyword phrases and many software tools to use. But if time is of the essence, then why not get your exact keyword title ideas for your videos straight from YouTube itself? Start entering the keyword title you want to use, and as you do, make a note of the suggested titles or keywords that YouTube starts automatically listing. The words and phrases that you see, or frequent, recent, actual phrases people are entering into the YouTube search box. 2. A benefit. This is so that people want to know what's in it for them. 3. A power word. This is effectively sprinkling the keyword phrase and the power word with the magic that either compels people to take a second look at your video title and then to click on your video title or the video thumbnail image. And 4. Here's a couple of tips for you for when you enter the video title just before you upload the video to YouTube. As a side note, check the video title immediately after you've uploaded to YouTube to make sure the title is as it should be. Tip 1. Make sure each word in the title begins with a capital letter. And tip 2. Maximise the space in the title box. Here's what I mean. There are a maximum of 99 characters you can enter in the title box, but you only want to enter a maximum of 60, as that is all that shows up in the search results. So stick to 60. Here's an example. Let's use the title, How to Get Your Videos Watched and Increase Sales. Now let's dissect this bad boy of a title and see how all 4 components of a compelling title are at work here. 1. An exact keyword phrase, i.e. how to get your videos watched. 2. A benefit. The keyword phrase is implying that the main benefit of getting your videos watched is more sales. 3. A power word. In this case, the power word is increase, i.e. increase your sales. 4. Note the capital letters at the beginning of each word in the title, and note that the character count is within the 60 limit. Now, if you spend a bit more time working on this title, you can no doubt improve upon it and probably squeeze in the full 60 characters. But time is of the essence, and good enough is good enough. You will improve your technique over time with the more video titles that you work on. Now let's dissect the title of this video, which is the video title. How to make it stand out to get more views. 1. An exact keyword phrase. In this case, it's the video title. 2. A benefit. Here the benefit is more views. 3. A power word. Stand out is the power word. And 4. Note the capital letters at the beginning of each word in the title and that the character count is within the 60 character limit. Here's an easy way to determine the character count. Let's just nip over to the computer. Welcome to the computer, and this is the example I just want to show you. So the title for this video is the video title, how to make it stand out to get more views. And if you just highlight that there, and then if you look over here down in the bottom here, just left click with your mouse and that will come up this box. Here you can see characters with spaces 60. So that is actually spot on the 60 character limit. And that's how easy it is to determine your character count. Thanks for watching. Now we've looked at what makes a compelling title to encourage people to click on your video thumbnail image or on the title itself. Be careful of going to the extreme and risk being accused of your videos being clickbaity. Here's what I mean. Supposing the title of this video was Compelling Video Titles. How to attract the opposite sex. Now, unless you're in the online dating business, whilst the title is likely to make people take a second look and click on the thumbnail image out of curiosity, it's not going to do you any favours at all when people soon realise your video has nothing to do with attracting the opposite sex. So be sensible when crafting your title, and here's a bonus tip for you. Remember that as well as using a compelling title to attract the attention of your target audience, the video thumbnail image is also aiming to achieve the same result. So these two powerful marketing weapons should be working in tandem. Therefore, you need to seriously consider that you 1. Ensure the 3 or 4 words on your thumbnail image are in line with the video title, and 2. You actually refer to the title at the beginning of your video when you start talking, and then when you start talking about the subject matter, the viewer knows that what you are actually talking about is how they understood what the title is or was conveying. In effect, this helps to start build trust from the moment the viewer engages with the video. Finally, here's one thing to consider when you're compiling your video titles. Should you use emojis in your video titles? That's it. I hope you found the content of this video helpful. Don't forget to download your free PDF copy entitled How to Be the Best You Can at YouTube. You'll find the URL link in the description box below the video. Thanks for watching. For more helpful video marketing and YouTube tips, please subscribe and remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. Just click on the red subscriber button below this video. Until next time, bye for now.